parts are selected for a new job. Item templates can be set individually on each part. Create a new job and set the job's customer. Quickly link related document files to items. Specify detailed costs and perform part repricing. Promote job status to quote to send estimate cost to the customer. Preview customizable report for item breakdowns, images, and more. Set follow-up reminders to communicate with customer. Jobs from SigmaQuote instantly appear in SigmaMRP. Promote job status to order to begin manufacturing process. Operations are grouped and machine usage is planned. Work orders are generated for SigmaTEK machines. In operations, all job parts viewable for status tracking. Work orders are processed in SigmaTEK. Item status for SigmaTEK parts is updated. Quantity and process updated for each part. View linked information between jobs, parts, and NC programs. Posted NC programs appear in color offload. Started programs immediately update status in SigmaMRP. For other operations, jobs appear in shop floor data capture. View related job item document files directly from shop floor data capture. Track operation progress and input, setup, and/or breakdown times. Shared view of operation, quantity, and order information. Quickly switch operations, station setups, or operator. Once all required operations are completed, the item is finished. When the job is finished, the items can be prepared for delivery. Company status is confirmed, and items are split for shipping. Items are ready for delivery, and an invoice can be generated. Invoice is raised, and customers notified that payment is due.